Tanvir Kazmi with my news analysis channel. See the work through Tanvir Kazmi. I'm again here to discuss an important uh, point where the United States President Trump met South African president, and they had a very big dialogue about this. So I was watching that. I thought I'd give some little bit views on this. Trump complained to South African president that there's some disagreement or injustice going on with the people of other skin color, which is every time I heard about skin color, I felt very sad, and then how being a children of Adam and Eve, we were one nation under one God. Why would God trap into the Satan about distinguish each other based on the color? Anyway, but that was, I think it should be taken serious. And South African president was also asking, yes, we are ready to cooperate, but as long as you give us our technology and help us. That was also genuine demand. So I think they should be, I have seen from many, many years, so much bloodshed going on, so much unrest going on in South Africa between two groups, European American and African American, and that caused major division, major unrest, and very sad to see so much destruction and killing going on. But there's a time both presidents look very cooperative and desire to bring peace. So there should be a way they should talk to each other. I think they should set up two teams from both countries, and they talk to each other weekly on a weekly basis, telephonic, and they continue monitor and help each other, so that this area become peaceful and love prevail, and everybody will get justice. Keep in your mind, guys, you are children of Adam and Eve. Your children of Adam spread all over the world. One Father. You look at, I keep on saying, look at your body features, look at your thinking, how you sleep, how you eat. You're exactly the same way. But a little bit difference of skin color is a beauty, enjoy it. And a little bit thinking more, God said, I created you tribes and different, so you enjoy each other. Don't make it is a difference. Yeah, there is, if injustice happen or any issue happens, it's okay to talk and consult your holy books. Keep in your mind, only solution we have to consult our holy book, which has a guidance for entire humanity. There is no other way to succeed. Creating group will destroy us and has destroyed us. So what I suggest here to South African president and the Trump administration, to both sides create a team, both sides, and they should have weekly, complete weekly meetings, weekly discussions, and share knowledge, and write the notes, and continue cooperate until this is problem resolved forever. And they may need some money, they may need some technological sharing advancement. So share each other. We are one family spread all over the world, and this way, the more we share knowledge, the more we cooperate and help each other, then slowly we become peaceful. The world become peaceful. The peaceful world means more food, more water, more love, more happiness. And also we have this, if we have any disagreement about, we can consult our holy book. Holy books, three major holy books, Torah, Gospel, and Quran, has a beautiful guidelines to make this world peaceful forever. So let's work together as a one family under one God all over the world. Take care. Talk to you next time. Bye.